This video series describes how to commission a COMEX 510, including adding devices and setting up data logging and publication. Download the latest firmware from www.schneider-electric.com. Enter COMEX in the search bar and click on the product offer. Navigate to Documents and Downloads and click See More Documents. On the left-hand side, click More Options and narrow to Software Firmware. Find the latest firmware and click Download. Unzip the firmware file. Navigate to the .sp1 file and move that file to an empty USB drive. Here you'll need to rename the file to upgrade.sp1. Make sure the COMEX is powered down. Connect the USB drive to the front USB port. If you're using 3G, GPRS, or Zigbee dongles, connect those to the COMEX now as well. Power up the COMEX. The firmware upgrade begins and the power LED turns orange. The firmware upgrade will take several minutes. The power LED turns green when the upgrade is complete, and you can now remove the USB drive. You can configure the COMEX via direct Ethernet connection using DPWS or over a temporary Wi-Fi connection using the Wi-Fi dongle. For this example, we're using a laptop with an Ethernet cable. Disconnect your laptop from all networks, then connect an Ethernet cable from your laptop to the COMEX Ethernet port 2. This port is a DHCP server by default and will assign your laptop an IP address. Click on the Windows Start button and click Network. The COMEX 510 appears in the list of devices because it supports DPWS. Double-click the COMEX and the login page opens in your web browser. You can also access the UI by opening the web browser and entering IP address 10.25.1.1. The COMEX has a self-signed security certificate, so connecting to the COMEX in a browser displays a security message. You can upload a new certificate after you've logged in the Security subtab. For now, click Advanced and Proceed. Log in as the default administrator. The username and password are admin lowercase. And click Connect. Accept the end user license agreement. And enter a new password that meets the requirements on screen. Click the About link in the top right corner, and under Application Version, verify that your firmware upgrade was successful. This window also contains other COMEX IDs such as IP addresses and MAC addresses. You will need the displayed serial number if you're connecting to a Schneider Electric hosted platform through DSP. Next, you're ready to configure the COMEX network and other COMEX network settings. For more information, visit our website anytime at www.schneider-electric.com. Thanks for watching.